Okay, we've got our head ready. We've cut this part off and we've sanded it down. It goes in here. We've got this sanded down. So now we're ready to start our outside pieces. You'll make sure you get your right side to your right side and your left side to your left side. Because you don't want to have any, you don't want to do the opposite. It might throw things off. Check this. Make sure this is where we want it. We'll mark this in here so we know where to put the glue. So we're going to put this on here. And again, you just want to make it snug till you get a couple of clamps on there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So just make this snug so you can adjust where you need to adjust to. And we'll tighten this down. Set this aside for about an hour, then we'll glue the other side on. Thanks for watching.